Ciao guys, Enrico here from Multimedia, and for 2022 Superbooth this year we are showing the new Synth Pro Black Edition. We just announced it this morning. It is the Synth Pro that all the users loved, with the dual filter, the paraphonic capabilities, all the connections, CV, MIDI, audio, and battery powered with the editor on the computer, but in a new black design. We went all around Berlin in some studios, and I mean, all the guys were like, "Whoa, that is gonna fit very well in my studio." So we were pretty proud of that. It's gonna be available at the end of the month. I'm guessing in a week or two, and now there's also a discount going on that. The old Synth Pro, so the original version, which we have on the other side. Let's go there. Yeah, the old version is now in discount for $100, so it is $299 at this point, and the black version is now at $349 as a pre-order instead of $399. Also, the keyboard is on discount, another $100 for less on the retail price.
So how long is the discount going to run for?
It won't last that much because it is a limited edition. We have only 500 units available in black, so there's a really I'm going to say close number.
Get one now.
Yeah, get one now. Otherwise, I don't think we're going to do even more unless everybody enjoyed it. Apart from that, this Superbooth we are also showing for the first time. Let's go back here.
We're going back.
We are showing for the first time the Quattro,
which
is our new portable interface with four inputs. Portable, it can be battery powered. It works with your phone. The deluxe version also comes with the microphones for any kind of field recording. So that's really brilliant. And in fact, at this point, I'm actually using it as a mixer with all the
fixed cardioid condensers, yeah?
Yeah. And you can see now. I mean, probably you are the third person that actually showed that. I
feel deeply honoured. Wow.
Which are really nice. I mean, they fit the entire interface quite nicely. I'm gonna go.
We've got a live unboxing here.
I mean, it is the second interface that I actually opened it.
Wow.
Whoa, that's super nice.
Because this is the first thing we've filmed at Superbooth.
Oh, okay. Super proud of that. Okay.
Well, it's the first one I've done, let's put it like that.
Here we have it. So, as you can see, it can be
battery
power with a bunch of connection for anything, also for the output, sync it. It does have also, it can be also powered by
is that a micro USB?
It is still a micro USB.
Oh, not USB-C?
Not yet for this one. I have to say it. And
is it class compliant?
Yes, it is a class compliant.
I can't even say that, class compliant. I haven't had a coffee this morning. We're that early, folks.
It is a class compliant interface, and as you can see, the two microphones fit perfectly. Et voila.
So is this designed for musicians primarily, but could it be used for field recording? Is it that?
It could be used for field recording. It could be used for, I don't know, even podcasting if you need it. Thanks to the four microphone inputs. So yeah, broadcasting, field recording, even recording your live performance anywhere. Again, it can be with the batteries. It can be used with your phone. So,
what about mounting? Are there any kind of camera mounts we can mount it on something?
I guess so. Yes, I'm pretty sure of that. Still don't know yet how to open it. Okay, so it comes with a bunch of cables for all the connection that you want. Oh, the batteries also. Nice. Oh, that's a nice touch.
Decent batteries too.
And yeah, here we are.
Hey, here we go. All right. Okay.
All right. All right. Oh, nice. Look at that. It can be fitted. Oh, here, so you can actually mount it
Okay,
everywhere.
now that's good.
That's brilliant. Yeah, that will work.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm thinking, mobile field rig.
Yeah, a lot.
Such
a lot
as we're
of that.
using.
I'm gonna try later on. In fact, I'm gonna go around the Superbooth and yeah. On top of that, we are showing, of course, our new pedal. I don't know if you heard about those, the X gear pedals.
Tell me.
Okay, so we have four new pedals, which come from our lead software, which is Amplitube. So we have these four boutique digital pedals: the reverb, the delay, the modulation, and the drive.
Are they here? Can we see them?
They are already here, already available.
Right. Okay, there we go.
Here we have the drive, which I'm currently kind of distorting a drum machine, which why not? Everybody loves it. And on top of that, we have the modulation, the reverb, and the delay. As you can see here.
Right, it's a colourful set.
Yeah. Which, you know, for ambient stuff might be the perfect one.
So can you select which algorithms you load into the pedals?
Yeah, I mean each of the pedals comes with 16 different algorithms picked up from Amplitube and made and custom made also for this new pedal. In fact, the reverb some of the reverbs are completely new. We have 16 different algorithms that goes from the shimmers to springs, reverse, gated reverbs, anything. So basically, instead of with the price of one pedal, you actually get 16 different algorithms with a parameter tweaking quite unlimited. I mean, there's literally everything that you can shape out of your reverb, with a bunch of presets that can be stored in the pedal itself. And if you buy the other version, you get the software version inside Amplitube for free. So, and you can actually exchange presets between the pedal and the software version. The same goes for the delay. So, 16 different delay algorithms from tape, vintage tape, modern tapes, super modded tapes, reverse, pong reverbs, pitching reverb, harmonized, dirty. There's
the works.
Yeah, there's a lot of those, and in fact, I love that. I actually put it on my pedal board on top of my synthesizer setup, and then we have the X Vibe, which is the collection of all the majority of the modulation that we have. Still 16 different modulation going from a chorus, from phaser, flangers, rotary, vibrators, and etc. etc. So a lot of modulation. So all of those are state-of-the-art DSP based. We are talking about 192 kilohertz, 24-bit. And yeah, they're already available. There should be also some sort of discount at this point, but I admitted I'm not remembering at the point. But yeah,
we can check the website.
We can check. Yeah, go and check the website. So check our website, check our social networks, and get all the news about all those new products, plus all the events that we are actually current on.
Okay, just going back to the 16 algorithms.
Go for it.
Are they 16 slots? Can you change any of those algorithms yourself as a user?
Yeah, you can change that. Well, I mean, we have 16 slots of those. As soon as you, I don't know, for example, load the presets, that preset is based on an algorithm. And then, if you want, of course, to change that preset to use another algorithm, you, of course, can do it. Just change it and modify it.
But the 16 algorithms are fixed in the pedal. You can't change those as a user.
No.
Okay.
No. Those are I mean, yeah, that's the only, might be the only limitation, but yeah, limitation, let's put it this way.
Well, yeah, I guess if you could change them all, then you could change one pedal into another, and then
Yeah.
what would be the point of that?
Yeah.
But maybe, one user changeable slot. That might be nice for someone.
Okay. Well, I mean, I'm quite sure that our product manager for the pedals,
or maybe two,
is gonna see. Yeah, he's gonna see the video. He's gonna say,
we're going to give them one of them that they can change.
Yeah. That's a nice idea.
Because that could be quite a nice thing. If someone would want to put a modulation algorithm into their delay pedal, for example, if you give one of them slots, kind of user changeable. Then you could get them hooked on the modulation algorithms, and then they'd buy a modulation.
Okay. Well, we're going to talk about it. Okay.
Just a thought. You can have that one.
Yeah, that's a nice thought. Okay. We're going to talk about it. Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Right, is that it? Have we got everything covered that you've got for the show?
Yeah. At this point for the Superbooth 2022, that's everything that we actually showing. On top of the usual suspects, our monitors, both the micro monitors and the iLoud MTM, which, I mean, they are really powerful even for the spare. Even the micro monitor are quite loud, isn't it?
We know.
Quite loud, isn't it? So yeah.
Yeah, they're good. I've got a pair of the MTM Louds, and they are pretty decent, I've got to say.
Yeah. I mean, I love them. I used to check. I used to check my master after I do my master on my main monitors. I use the micro monitor to check it out. When I'm maybe at home and not at the studio, I do use those. And in my home studio, I also have the MTM for on top of the main big monitors.
Yeah, me too. Just sat on the top ones.
Yeah. I mean, thanks to the linear phase, they're being linear phase with and all the DSP correction that they have a very, very low extension, which is quite nice for a small package, and the linear phase correction kind of helps in all the transients and stuff. So
I must admit, nice. I use these things more than my big monitors now. I must.
Okay. Pretty happy with that. And I mean, another nice feature is the fact that you can actually there's a kind of a arc built in, so you can actually correct the monitors on your inside the room, correct your room basically.
Yeah, and that comes with the mic.
Room. Yeah.
So any updates to the firmware for that? For the ARC system?
Not yet. We are actually pretty happy. There's nothing more or anything that.
So it ain't broke, don't fix it, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
We can go have coffee.
Yeah, let's go and have coffee.
All right.
Yeah, lovely.
Thanhere so much for that. Have
My
a good
pleasure,
show.
and thank you very much. And yeah, please come and visit us at the Superbooth. We are here. We are here just for showing all the products, play with synthesizer effects and stuff, and yeah, hang out. Thank you guys.
All the best. Bye.